How to connect ManyChat to Facebook ads. So in a simple way, you're gonna have to first log in or start up in ManyChat by continuing with Facebook, of course. This is probably one of the fastest options, so go ahead and press on continue with Facebook. So you could choose the pages you want ManyChat to access if you chose the Facebook option. You could opt into current pages, like the page that's currently logged into your Facebook, or you can opt into all current and future pages. So you can choose from these. Then just review ManyChat's access requests. It's quite a lot, but that's pretty normal. Then just go ahead and press on save. So at this point, what you're gonna have to do now is to create your ManyChat automation. Choose whichever you want to connect, let's say Messenger or TikTok or Instagram, and then you're gonna have to create an automation. Before that, you're gonna have to set up your account first though, so make sure you do all this and of course answer the questions properly so you will avoid extra work later on. Anyways, now that we're done with that, we can go ahead into automation and then press on plus new automation. So once you're on a specific flow, you can add the Facebook ad trigger there. So go ahead and press on the bottom right, which is to add a node, and that's going to be a trigger. So in the trigger, we can find Messenger, of course, and then find this one, which is Facebook ads. So user clicks a Facebook ad, we can go ahead and choose on that one. So as you can see, message will be sent to customers when they click on your ads. You can save this trigger, add content, set your automation live, and then choose this automation in your ads manager. Of course, now you're gonna have to create the ad in Meta Ads Manager. So open your Meta Manager, you can create a fresh new campaign if you haven't already. And then you're gonna have to choose an objective that supports message ads, which is probably going to be an engagement over here that usually just works. Then we can do a manual engagement campaign. Then on the chat builder, we can just go ahead and press on create template, automated chat, and press on next. And then we can go ahead to advanced and then press on connect an app. So as you can see, ManyChat is already connected. So just make sure that is the option we chose. We can toggle these as well, but these are not recommended for some reason, but that pretty much depends on you. Then once you're done with the setup here, you can go ahead and save. So you've selected ManyChat as the partner app, and then just go ahead and finish. You could review your ad if you'd like. Oh, let's go ahead and agree to this first. A few terms, copy this, and then just do that, I suppose. Anyways, then just go ahead and publish after your review. So that's pretty much one way you can connect ManyChat to Facebook ads. Hopefully this video can help, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.